What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Rell, funny as fuck. You know, we back at it again with another YouTube reaction video. This time we got my boy Garrick. He's showing off his new C8 boy Z06. He put some new installments on that bitch. Let's see what that hoe talking about. I know that hoe gonna be raw. One day I'm gonna get one of them bitches. I ain't gonna lie, that's what I'm coming for. Let's get it.
Warning, do not do any of the following scene filmed in Mexico by professionals.
Oh shit, it's the cops! Come catch me, bitch!
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video, another POV. So the title of today's video, you guys already seen. We are putting an Aviary exhaust system on my 2024 Z06. And we're going to be matching it with the front lip with like the little fins. And I'm very excited right now. A couple of the homies are gonna pull up too, guys, and yeah, it's gonna be a fun little vlog. Watch the whole thing. I'm gonna show you guys what it sounds like before and after the exhaust is put on. Hopefully it don't sound like that. Here's the exhaust right here. Boom, Aviary exhaust with the race pipes, the mid pipes, and then we got the front lip right there. So the collection, the whole collection is here. The whole gang is here. We got the M4 competition, 800 wheel horsepower, 900 horsepower. We got the XXM competition, pushing over 650 horsepower. I'm gonna be getting this tuned. I am gonna be getting an exhaust for this, not Valtronic. I want Acapulco, however you say it. And we are gonna be putting a lip on it. It's just the tariff situation's like the little booty walls right now, but as you can see, it's missing something. And I am also going to be putting HREs on this monster. So stay tuned. I'm going to be building it. The only thing this has is an intake and downpipes. And this is full Adro, freaking titanium exhaust. I'll show you guys. It has been shooting white smoke out of the exhaust, so I have to take it back to PQ. And I know that's not a good sign. But boom. We got the Kizzy, the red eye, right here, slammed, great fitment. We got the S-Plate ESVV right here.
I knew I wanted to be a pilot, honestly, as early as I can remember. It's really the first job.
Oh yeah. Got the Z06 right here. I am thinking about lowering it half an inch. We got the S-Class right here. The daily. We got Cash's M5 still here. I don't know why. Cash, what are you doing? We got the E60 M5, which is going to be pulling up with me because the homies are pulling up and are going to be helping me today. Marco, Musa, you guys already know. You guys seen him in the last video. Oh, speak of the Musa. Musa's gonna be whipping this. So we got the Apex wheels. You guys already seen this monster. You ready? The Aviary exhaust system?
Hey, they're gonna do it in a day?
Yeah, hopefully, we're gonna go see.
No
way.
In a day? That's kind of. Oh, is that why we're going early?
Look how big the E60's trunk is. Golly. Oh my goodness.
Wait, this might fit like perfectly.
Yep.
Stick it out like this?
Should we?
Like BMW got most. I'm about to say.
Bro, you're gonna break it.
Okay, we took it out the box. Yo, this is nuts.
The gasket.
This is nuts. That's the race pipes? Or
That's the gasket.
where's the race mid pipes? The heli? Is in there? This is crazy. Or no, these are the race mid pipes right here.
Those are your gaskets in there.
That's crazy. Appreciate you for helping, bro.
Always, brother.
Guys, I'm gonna put Musa's socials down in the description. He's gonna start a YouTube channel soon, so.
Oh yeah. Comment what car I should get.
Yeah, he's thinking about a car to get, guys. Let him know.
A Corvette.
What's your price range?
Corvette.
Like 35,000.
35,000.
Yeah.
You should get a Vet.
That's what I'm saying. I can see something.
Oh, wow, that's good.
Yes, bro.
Yeah.
It's 10 a.m. Why aren't you at school private?
I'm trying to be different. I'm gonna give me a vet.
Huh? Oh, excuses. Slept through your alarm.
I'ma still give me a,
Guys, this is what the X6 sounds
I'ma
like.
still give me a Hellcat though, but I'm just saying for right now.
Let's hear the vet. And then we're gonna have to cold start the M5 and leave it for like 10 minutes.
Plus the vest slip on. They just got old folks driving.
Not too shabby.
They don't know what the fuck to do with them bitches.
My differential's leaking right now, bro. That's why I haven't been driving.
Oh, fix the white smoke on this car.
Yeah, this one needs to
Every
fix.
time I see a C8 on the road,
Bro, it could be like your
they
transmission.
drive
I know.
speed.
That's why I haven't been driving it. I'm leaving it. I'm gonna tow it to PQ.
Why are you doing
this one? Oh, I need to figure out where I'm
You
gonna
need
go
to be
fix the
pushing that
differential
bitch to
leaking.
the limit. When I ain't even
No,
gonna
I
say
know.
the limit.
That's why I did.
I'm
After
just
I saw
saying.
the white smoke, I didn't step on it no more.
need
This
to
one,
be
the
doing
wheel
what
is
it's
wobbly on the
supposed to
back
be
left still. I think I need to get spacers. I don't know. I heard about something like that. I gotta get the windshield fixed on the S class.
All your cars being disabled, bro.
Dead ass. I just got them back.
And you can put the fucking like the diffuser.
Everything, and then I found out my differential's leaking. Yeah, everything is now on this beast.
Red Eye boy.
The homie
I ain't
Matt,
really just find no interest in
first time in the jet.
This is crazy. If you see it from my point of view, it's like a pilot seat or something. It's crazy.
We're about to go crazy. I got the chest piece. Hopefully it shows good. You guys keep telling me to get the meta glasses, but the meta glasses only film like the steering wheel, and that's for like reels and like. I still might get it just for that, but I don't know. I like the GoPro. And then on the Corvette, whenever I had the headset, it's too high up, so I'm trying to see. I don't know. Yo, hurry up, gang!
I got an aux cord.
He was about to sit in there with no music. You ready?
Driving without no music, like being a so.
At Planet Fitness, there's a number of ways to get strong, and they all add up to one membership, the Planet Fitness Black Card. Access any
So you just go sit in silence. I understand if you're doing it in your rooms. Or your crib. Or outside. Especially while driving.
Hey,
You just sit in the car, you just having a moment of silence before you go in and dealing with some kids and stuff. Gather your peace, gather your thoughts, man.
Let's race, bitch, with your old ass car.
Naturally, sitting in your car. Why is she doing it? I gotta have something. And she be like, boy, stop touching my radio. Why are you driving without music? Make it make sense. I just like to drive without no music.
Oh my god.
That red interior though.
Like bazooka, like video doesn't do justice, right? You gotta be here in person.
Strongest pop I've ever heard.
I break my neck this way at that sound. Like that. Think I'm joking. You need to get a head growth, bro. It's a good view, but we can't see his ass swimming in traffic if we really wanted to.
I gotta sit like this.
guy's crazy. I can't drive like that. Holy shit.
See, he got the hood. Good in the Beamer, though. This PLV nice, though. I ain't gonna lie.
Oh shit,
He
it's the
just
cops!
played. He just played. He just fucking played. Get gone. Get gone. Get gone. Look like one of them national security cops.
Hell yeah, they ain't chasing me! Holy shit! Fucking car, dog. Oh my god. In front of a cop too. Oh my god. How can I get pulled over? Not doing it. Bro, I have the valves on too, bro. This shit still sounds loud as fuck. It's killing my vibe. Bro, they left me in the dust, man.
I got another gun on me, you ain't robbing shit. We got enough walk right here to start a pharmacist. They say the shit I dropped at end. It's the third test, but I ain't giving no more after this. What's the gun out on my son and made him say his whole alphabet.
Oh yeah! Woohoo! Oh my god, this car feels amazing.
That old school ass interior. What the fuck? Shit. But that all do sound nice. I can't say that though. I give it that. Them old beaters do be running though. Don't underestimate the big dog.
Bro, I swear we're like at 317, now we're at 267. God damn it, she's gas.
Choose your 5, 7, or 9 out of fuck screeners box only at Taco Bell.
When I heard I was approved by one main, I was very relieved. I was ecstatic. I just felt like a ton of weight was lifted off my shoulders.
Oh my god, my heart dropped to my ass, bro. A cop lit me up, bro, and then, oh my god, he's right there. Let's see him right there. You guys can see him, he's all the way down there, bro. Oh my god, he made my heart drop to my ass, bro.
I can't see
I was trying to
nothing
get
else.
into this lane,
And I got glasses.
bro, I was so, oh man, I'm so stupid, bro. He's right behind me, and then he lit me up, but then he just went past me, bro. And thank God he didn't pull me over. Oh my god. I was not trying to pay that ticket, bro. And then this car's tuned. Oh my god, it would have killed my vibe.
He just bent the counter. He just bent the counter.
pulled over. Nah.
Yeah, say y'all want one day.
Bro, I was trying to get in the other lane. It was the sheriff. We picked up Spicy P. Oh yeah.
No, we just picked up Marco. We're about to head to the shop. They told us to be there at 8 a.m. It's 11:30. We don't follow rules.
Damn, dude, sound nice.
That's crazy.
Hey, take it easy right here. There's cops like right here, always.
Oh my god.
I ain't these fucking nuts, man.
So you're supposed to drive it, brother.
That old ass BMW.
That's what I say. Gotta give it to him, though.
Oh my
Sound nice. Pick up. Damn, just pick up. And y'all say they hold out a supercar. But the CR1 is a supercar. But it's on only track. I mean, not on the track.
Yo, what
That is
the
on the
fuck, bro?
track.
Chill. We're supposed to turn right
Street
here.
level. My fault. I messed up my knowledge right there.
It's gonna be loud.
Yo,
It's gonna be loud.
I can't wait.
I feel like I ain't gonna lie, since cops are more attracted to loud cars, I want more speed, but with
Hold down the paddle
minimal,
shifters and rev it.
minimal sound. Medium sound, I ain't gonna lie.
Alright, do it again.
Medium. See right now that hoe ain't a level one base stop.
It's gonna be 10 times louder.
10 times louder.
He say 10 times, but I don't.
This is the spot right here. Project 13.
I'll be the judge.
Look at this, bro. That's hard.
We did some PPF on the truck outside, maintenance on the Maybach, and a full wrap on that Escalade.
Oh, tough.
So we'll get the Corvette in right now and get started.
What up, Musa? How was the M5?
Stupid fast, bro.
Yeah.
Almost got pulled over.
Let me know when it's done. If you
Freaking ass.
ready?
Yeah.
So you think you know Wix, do you really? First up, we've got shape video masks. You can use different shapes to create completely different vibes.
A few moments later.
You'll think your opponent will be top 10, but it's always a fucking issue.
Send it! Send it! Holy shit.
Get an upgraded tune. I thought Gary was getting in the fucking tune. This nigga running guys on too.
Yeah, bro. It's got a little phone call right by the door. Bro, that's nuts. Look at this shit, bro. Our nuts are too heavy, you know who's sitting down? 3 guys in the back. I need some
fat ass.
Blow any moment.
A few moments later.
Well, you're on automatic still. There. Take that off. Press DC. I don't know, maybe. Alright, go. This guy wants to spin it.
Oh shit.
This fool better not mac my shit. Alright. Oh my god, you almost.
Too early.
Oh my god, you almost hit that shit. Oh my god. You almost hit the fucking curb.
I gassed it.
You're
He
nuts.
like, I gassed it.
We out. You're crazy, dog. Bro, you were this close to hitting the curb.
No, I gassed it. I swear, I did that on purpose. I swear.
Let's get out of here.
3 days later.
Alright guys, we didn't get the vet the same day. We had to leave it because there was a piece of the exhaust that Avier didn't send out, which was super annoying, but it's alright. Project 13 Customs got it done. We did the brake calipers red. We tinted the back headlights, and we lowered it just half an inch, and we added the exhaust. My baby is here too.
The first day completion. Because
Let me see that belly bump.
There's always something that's gonna go.
We pulled up with the S-Class. The boys are here too. Spicy. Oh, what's up with picking your ass?
What?
Spicy P? Mateo?
He needs to hit his point right now.
You ready to hear this shit?
Yeah, let's go see the car.
Let's go. Yo! I'm hella happy. Sorry, I'm not. What's poppin'?
How's it going?
Oh, my bad, bro, for being late.
No, you're good.
Oh, shit. I'm ready.
Nice to meet you.
I'm ready. Sheesh. Let's see. We put on the front lip. Oh my goodness. The Bruce Wayne mobile. The red brake calipers. We put the Z on the Z06. Red. Sheesh. Check out the back. Oh my goodness. Hey, appreciate you again, bro. Hey, Santa Clarita guys, Project 13 Customs. I'll put in the description. If you guys got high-end cars like this, pull up. Damn, bro, this is looking nuts. Sheesh.
Put a paint protection film on this brace.
Thank you, bro. Yeah, appreciate that. Bro, it looks so much different with the front lip, man. Wow. Okay. Let's hear this.
Sound the mic on the camera can't pick it up. So that was definitely I gotta hear why he's running it.
The deadliest warrior become the
greatest gas to the
killers.
When I decided to go on UTP, I toured the location and I loved the people. I loved all the students I talked to. I loved the area.
That bitch, dude.
Yo, that's nuts! Guys, follow my Snapchat AD post. Guard official. Put it right here. Or in the description. You guys, Snapchat saw it first. That's crazy, bro.
Can't wait to have that feeling, man. Can't wait to have that feeling, man. That bitch some murder. Drop top.
Look at the smoke.
Yo, look at this smoke. That's
Already? Oh, the Ferrari A2 is super fast. That's what that whole sound.
Hey, what do you think?
You're psychotic.
That's what that whole sound.
Yo, hey, this guy's in the car already.
I told him this is the last car thing that he ever got.
No.
Yeah.
All right.
I know, right, Gary? We gotta keep on coming. We gotta keep on.
It's healthy.
We gotta keep on with the collection. Cause maybe you wanna get bored one thing and train in for the next time.
Let's do this.
You might want a Cadillac V. Black wing. You may never know. Ooh, that's what I'm gonna have when I go sideways on live with them Damn it. Y'all not fucking hear this thing. And they don't want to consider this shit a fucking supercar. Put it on the list. Put it on the fucking list.
Oh my goodness.
Yahoo! Yoshi!
Alright. About to launch this bitch. Look at all the smoke.
Launch control. Damn, he ain't showed the beginning part of him doing that. Unless he fucked up. I feel like you fucked. I know, this the other POV.
Oh my god!
Hey, don't you start that, fool. We were just quiet. Finna annoy your ass again.
Taco Bell's $5, $7, and $9 Lux Cravings boxes give you a whole world of tasty indulgences.
Damn, get down, yo. I'm gonna start off with a C7. When I get that C7, I don't know which one I'm gonna get though. I'm gonna get the Grand.
Oh my god!
Just 6, so I'm gonna get the Grand Sport, yada yada yada. Or I might just go and fuck out a bottle and get the C8. Who knows? Keep it too when I drop a car channel. Cause I'ma definitely get one pop. I may not know a whole lot, but as I progress and learn more, I'ma have me some fast shit.
Don't worry about it, bro.
The most fast pop shit in the city.
Yo, that's crazy.
I ain't gonna lie.
Hey, what did it look like? Did you see any flames? I think it's because it's during day. During the day. That's crazy. That's nuts. Give this video a big thumbs up, guys. That's crazy. Don't forget to subscribe as well. I love you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna see you guys next time on Gar's Cars. Comment down below what you guys want to see, and we got it for you guys. Come on, don't forget to follow me on everything down in the description. Rev it, rev it.
Yeah, but white.
Ow, my ear! Ow! Actually, my freaking ear almost popped. Sports car or supercar?
Sports car now.
I hope I run into Garrett one day.
Supercar now.
I ain't gonna lie. Just to hear that.
Hey, what do you think, sports car or supercar? Supercar. For sure, supercar killer.
I'm gonna race his ass when I get my C8.
Shook the whole ground.
Yeah, it's so loud.
610 whip. Oh my goodness. Which one are you guys taking? The red eye or the Z06?
Z06 for me, my boy.
Alright, we're gonna make that shit split flames.
Alright, guys.
This ain't no Rari. It's a fucking vet.
It's a fucking vet. Y'all hear him? It's a fucking vet. Vet Nation in the building. Where y'all at? Sound like a Rari though. It's the thing. It's probably just a V12 exhaust. I forgot what's it. Avior exhaust. Avior. I might look into y'all. I might look into y'all. When I had the funds, I definitely give y'all a call one day.
Wow. Yeah. A whole bunch. Yeah.
Hellcat wheel go spin out more than.
Catch you guys on the next cars. Let me know what you guys want. Peace.
Anything in this fucking world. And that's with control, and that's with traction control on, like. I ain't never been in one, but as I watch videos on them hoes and just really look at folks that really drive them bitches, them hoes keep up, but them hoes keep up when it's like third quarter. Nah, I need you going in first, second, and then keeping your pace in the third. So that way, even in the third, your ass can at least have a little boost to hit fourth. And that's why I would like a vet. Cause them bitches, even the base models, them hoes, if you even put, you can upgrade them bitches to 1,000 horsepower. 1,000 horsepower. And it's just the base model. And them hoes will keep up with anything in your inventory. I swear. And then you got the yeah. I was finna go wrong. But C6 and then the C7 and then the C8. Yeah. But boy, them bitches, he murdered that hell out. Murdered. Drop a like, comment, subscribe for my videos if you fuck with your boy. It's your boy Rell. Peace.